How to add pronouns to your Instagram profile. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's video I will simply show you the way as to how you can go ahead and then add pronouns to your Instagram profile. So you just want to make sure to watch this video till the end. Now what you have to do is first make sure you have updated or downloaded the Instagram app to the latest version. Once you've done so, just go ahead and then launch the Instagram app. Make sure you are logged into your account. Now you have to come to your profile page by tapping on the profile icon from the bottom right hand side of the screen. Once you come to your profile page, just tap on the option that says edit profile. And as you tap on the edit profile button over here, you'll be able to see your name, username, bio, links, and halfway down the bottom you'll find another option that is pronouns. Now some people may be able to see this, and while some may not, just keep in mind that business accounts will not be able to add pronouns. But even if you do have a personal account and you're not being able to find the pronouns option, there could be a couple of reasons why. We've already made a dedicated video on how you can fix if you're not being able to find the pronouns section. I'll make sure to drop a link in the description if you want to go ahead and check that out. But assuming you do have the pronouns feature, just go ahead and tap on the pronouns option over here. And what you have to do is you can select a language for your pronouns. It could be English, Spanish, Portuguese, French, German, and so many more. And you can just go ahead and add your pronouns such as he, him, she, and so on. So just go ahead and add your definitive pronouns. You can actually only add up to 4 pronouns to your profile. You cannot add more than 4 pronouns as it is clearly mentioned over here. If you want, you can also hide this from the general public by turning on the toggle next to show to followers only. Your pronouns will only be shown to your followers and not to people who do not follow you. Once you're done making the changes, just tap on the done button on the top right hand side of the screen, and again tap on the done button from the top right hand side, which means you have to tap it twice. And as you can see, we have successfully updated and added our pronouns to our Instagram profile. If you want to remove it, follow the similar instructions. Just go to edit profile, tap on pronouns, and then just go ahead and simply cross this out. Once you cross this out over here, tap on the done button, and again just save the changes by tapping on done. That's all it takes to add or delete pronouns to your Instagram profile. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to my channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.